friends to my channel Bake with Rana. Today I am really excited to share with you my own recipe, amazing dessert that I have created out of this latest craze of Dalgona coffee. So let's see how do we make it. So to make this dessert, we'll first make Dalgona coffee. For making Dalgona coffee, I have taken 1 tablespoon of coffee, whichever you like and whatever is available at home. This is 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Because we are making dessert, so we don't want it very bitter, so we'll make it little sweet. And I have taken some water at room temperature. We'll put this coffee, sugar, and to start with, I'll take only half tablespoon of water. I'm using this electric beater to beat it. We have to beat it till it is very smooth, fluffy and very light in color. I've taken a small bowl so that it mixes well. You can see how it is coming out. At this point, I'll add a little more water, just say 1/4 of tablespoon, and then beat again. So the coffee is ready. So let's see what all do we need to make this dessert. We need vanilla cake. I have made this cake with my recipe. You can find the recipe in my channel. Go to that video and see how we have made this. And if you don't have time to make the cake at home, then you can buy ready-made cake as well. Then I have made some cold coffee. I have made this with 1 cup of cold milk, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and half teaspoon of Dalgona coffee, which we just now made. Then we need whipped cream. You can take ready-made whipped cream or you can make it at home. In my channel, I have also shared a video of a very nice recipe of whipped cream. You can go to that and learn how to do it. And I have taken some roasted nuts to add crunch to my dessert. So let's start making it. I have cut the vanilla cake in the same shape as the glass in which we will set the dessert. In this glass, we'll keep 1 slice of cake, soak it with the cold coffee which we have made, and then I'll put a layer of half teaspoon of Dalgona coffee. As we don't want to make it very bitter, so I have put only half teaspoon. But if you like to have it a little bitter and enjoy more of coffee, then you can add 1 teaspoon. Then I'll put a layer of whipped cream. You have to spread it like this. To add crunch to our dessert, we'll add few roasted nuts. Then again a layer of cake. We'll soak it with the cold coffee. This gives a very amazing flavor to your cake. Then we add whipped cream and spread it evenly on our glass. So we'll prepare all the glasses like this. Now our all 4 glasses are ready. You can serve them like this also, but it is always good to make them very attractive. So So I'll teach you how to decorate them. Two of them we will make for kids, so we'll make it little more sweeter. I've taken dark chocolate, melted in this, and decorate it like this. Just drizzle some chocolate on this. Other one, I'll put some choco chips on this. Kids really love these chocolate chips. And I have some very beautiful golden and white sugar balls. These things just enhance the flavor of your dessert and look beautiful as well. We will make this for adults, so we'll make it more bitter and add more coffee to it. I've filled this cone with Dalgona coffee. I'll make few lines like this. Then I have a toothpick. Just making to and fro. Another one. And I'll put this Oreo biscuit over here. So our Dalgona coffee dessert is ready. Believe me, this is super delicious. Very balanced sugar and very balanced coffee. I personally don't like it very bitter. Even kids don't like it very bitter. So I have used very little coffee inside the layers. But if you like the bitterness of coffee and you want to enjoy it more, then you can add more coffee. Like, comment and share my videos. Do subscribe to my channel to get the notifications. Thanks for watching.